mechanical keyboard that operates over Bluetooth. And this keyboard actually uses the Kailh switches. We'll find out exactly what they are as I open these guys up, but without further ado, here is the Elwood RCK by Azio. Yep, it's a mechanical keyboard. I like the wooden accents on it. Build quality seems pretty nice. It's a bit plasticky on the back, but metal accents on the side work pretty nice. Let's see, we got our switch there. We can go from Bluetooth to USB to off mode, Mac or PC mode, I assume, to switch out your alt and command keys. And USB-C port right in the middle. Not bad. Let's see what else is in the box. To swap in, okay, instead of for risers on the back, taller feet. It's nice. Have a smaller footprint as well. Don't know if that would help you much, but compared to the regular size, the backing there is a little bit smaller. Comes with a USB-C to regular USB adapter, cable, and the fine brush to make sure you don't get any Cheeto crumbs in your keyboard. Is that get a wrist rest? Man. Back to, man, that is a nice wrist rest. It's a wombo combo right there. And let's see, anything else underneath the packaging? Bonus stuff? Yeah, bonus keys. Ooh. Moving more of our fun plastic out of the way. We get to see, let's see, function keys with multimedia bracketing or images on them. So all your usual media controls you would ever need. Get your home insert keys and stuff, I guess. Yeah, since it's compact. I guess if you wanted to rebind the keys themselves on the right-hand side of the board, you would be able to do that and swap the real keys on it if you used them more, along with the Windows alternatives to the Mac keys. Does look like it's using a proprietary switch though, which is too bad. I was hoping you'd be able to swap some of these keys out. Maybe you're one of those Mac keyboard enthusiasts who likes to have fancy Artisan keys, which I am. But yeah, you're gonna be out of luck on this one. They is a non-standard Cherry MX backing. While I'm plugging this guy in, I do want to point out that when you throw your switch to PC mode, USB, because that's what we're gonna be on. The battery, I'm assuming for the, this is so, comes out pretty easy. All right, now we know how easy it is to swap your feet out on there. But we're gonna flip that to USB mode, PC mode, push in our USB Type-C connector, and yeah, well, we go into that details. Let's talk about the battery life of this thing. They claim that it has a 5,000 milliamp battery in it, and that will last 9 months with the backlight off, and with it on 1 to 2 months depending on intensity. That's pretty crazy. 9 months of a battery is awesome. Comparing that to pull up some stats on Corsair's K63 offering, they say 75 hours with the backlight off. People have said 25 hours at third brightness, and they say only 10 hours if you have your LEDs on full blast. That's pretty low, and that would be pretty bold claims from these guys if this actually holds up to be true for your battery stuff. Man, it's a pretty nice glow you get there out of your keyboard, out of your keyb. But just plugging in, I haven't checked any drivers or anything like that. Let's see how this guy pulls up, just giving a few has kind of a decent chunk as you go, and you know, I do notice my fingers, and I do not have big hands. I've got some tiny hands. I'm even feeling those hit some of the other keys around as I'm going. But you know, it has a very satisfying click from typing on it. I will give them that. It's really nice looking, but for the premium amount that you're paying for it, it's definitely got, you know, with the plastic keys, I feel like going full metal there would really be a noticeable feature, considering you have the metal outlining of the keyboard itself and the wood of this, or you know, it could be plastic. It might just be cheap metal. I think it's just a cheap metal, but it's metal. If you are looking for a retro style keyboard, this is probably the best one in the option. I've seen a few of the other ones, and I'm not totally sure of their build options here, but the wood definitely has a premium feel. I'm a big fan of that wood. It's got the texture, it's got a good look, the way the light kind of comes off of it. So I'd say really the only downside here is that the keys are their own proprietary backing. Otherwise, this is a pretty nice little keyboard. Kind of does everything you need. And the wrist rest, man. That logo.